Hey there, this is Kakarotvg. Welcome to MinecraftForge tutorial episode 11. Today we are going to be making custom liquids. So first thing we need to do is, as usual, we will open up the ID handler. Now public static string liquid IDs equals liquid IDs. And then / liquid IDs public static int let's see, we're gonna need the fluid name, fluid ID, so let's do tutorial block tutorial fluid ID. Okay, now / liquid IDs, dang it, these, and block tutorial fluid ID equals config.get liquid IDs tutorial fluid, and then 3350 dot get int, and we're done with ID handler. So next what we need to do is we're going to need to create a new class called tutorial fluid. Fluids. And this needs to extend fluid. Command Shift O to import, or Control Shift O and add constructor. Okay. String fluid name, super fluid name, and set density 3. This sets the density and how fast the player moves through the liquid. Set viscosity to 600. What this does is it sets how fast the liquid moves. And set luminosity and 5. And what this does, I don't know what it does. And fluid registry dot register fluid. This. What this does is it registers the fluid, so we don't have to do it somewhere else. So next, what we are going to do is we are going to create a new class in handlers called liquid handler. Don't worry, we're not even close to done. Anyways, so next we have to set up the liquid handler. So /fluids / liquids buckets. Buckets we will do later, not in this tutorial because it would take too long. Static void configure fluids. Configuration config .MinecraftForge.com and .configuration. Next we have to go with public static void register fluids game registry as usual, and Shift O to import, and Shift F to format. Then public static void add names language registry and then Command Shift F to format, Command Shift F to import. Language, Command Shift O to import, Command Shift F to format. And last one, public static void fluid container registry. And fluid container registry. Command Shift O, Command Shift F to format. And we won't be using this till later. But for now, in here, we need to register the fluids. So, first thing, let's do public static fluid tutorial fluid. Let's mention import. And in here, tutorial fluid equals new tutorial fluid, and in here we put the fluid name. I'm going to put tutorial, which is our import. F to format. F to format again. And let's see. And that's it for the moment. Now back to the fluids package. Create a new class, and we're going to call this class block tutorial fluid. So block tutorial fluid. Now please note that this fluid will not create source blocks. I am still actually working on figuring that out. So extends block fluid classic, and should go to import, Command Shift F to format. Now add the constructor. Now int ID, go ahead and delete everything but the int ID. Now in here, liquid handler dot tutorial fluid, comma material dot water. Cancel that to format, mention that to save, and then we need to get the icons. Now for this, it is a lot different than normal. I haven't worked out how to get a custom icon, but you don't really need it once you have the buckets. So public icon, get icon, int side, comma int meta. Make sure to go to import. Yeah, that Minecraft utility icon. So that's the format. We have to add a return statement. So return block dot water moving dot get icon side meta. Thanks for that format. And down here at override public int color multiplier I block access comma int x comma int y comma int z. Magic O. I block return. First off, through the head. Why is this working? Okay, that's weird. So return 0 x, and we'll add that in a second. Slash x space slash hex color code. Now, if you know anything about this, it basically requires specific color codes. We're going to open up our web browser, and we'll go to www.colorpicker.com, and we're going to pick our color. I'm going to make my fluid a make mine a purplish. So just copy the code over. What this does is it uses the texture of water, but it recolors it to a different color for this specific liquid. So we are done with block darkness. Block tutorial fluid. Now let's go to liquid handler. In here, under liquids, we need to put in public static block tutorial liquid oh .minecraft.block. Check out the format. Now in here we put in tutorial liquid equals new, then block tutorial fluid, and id handler dot block tutorial fluid id, and then dot set on localized name and tutorial fluid, and then yeah. Anyway, in register fluids, we need to register this block so we can see it in game. We'll eventually get rid of it later, but anyways, just for now. Now tutorial registry dot register block tutorial liquid, comma tutorial liquid. F, save, and then registry dot add name tutorial liquid name tutorial liquid. That's saved. Now DT tutorial liquid handler dot configure fluids liquid handler dot register fluids new game registry, and then liquid handler dot add names new language registry, and shift F to format. Let's save. Now let's run the game. Hold on. Using syntax error. No, that doesn't matter. Alright. So if you get a missing texture field in the error report, don't worry about it. It quite literally doesn't mean anything. So okay, so E. Let's go into our creative tab. It may or may not be there. It probably isn't. Let's go to tutorial, and we need to register it in our creative tab. I forgot about that. So liquid handler, then dot set creative tab handler dot t tab. Command Shift F to save. Command Shift S to save. Command Shift F to format. Or actually, you have to do it the other way around. But anyways. So go into single player, new world. Now we need to access our creative tab. So let's go into our creative tab, and there you are, our tutorial liquid. Now let's place it down. Now let's compare that to a normal water texture. Water. It looks identical, but it's different, right? Let's go ahead and check. Yes, see, it is different. It is darker. Plus, watch this. It doesn't create source blocks. Therefore, it is not water. And you can change the color hex code to whatever code you want, whatever color. Just they might not exactly look right. But it doesn't matter. So this is our new liquid. Just for showing you guys, just for the sake of showing you guys, I'm going to change the color code to a dark green. So, and remember, it has to have that 0x in front. Otherwise, your color isn't going to work. Anyways, so let's load our world. And there you are. It is a dark green color. Now, you might not be able to tell this by the fact that it is clearish, which you can change in the fluid class. I believe it's under set luminosity. Let's try deleting that. Let's see what we get. Single player, new world. Okay, so it still isn't quite dark green, but let's change that. But anyways, I actually need to check something real quick, so... Okay. So, the set luminosity, still not sure what that does, but I believe that set light opacity to, let's say, 3. And this dot okay, hold on. This dot set. This dot set. Luminosity, still icon, viscosity. Anyways. So yeah. So that will be our liquid. It's a darkish, clearish green color that actually try setting it to lower. I wonder if the density has anything to do with it. And I'm still wrong. Alright, so Anyways, that's our fluid. I will see you guys next time when we go over registering our fluid with a bucket class. So see you guys next time. Bye.